Yeah, hello everyone. Let me hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to do what we call filing returns with URSB. It is a simple procedure, and I hope by the end of this session each and everyone will be able to file their own returns. So the first step, of course, is to first log in. My credentials are already saved. So what I do, I first sign in, and once you sign in, it will take you to the starting page, and then you go to business file, and then you go to annual returns. So here it shows you that annual returns of 2026 are not yet, also 2025 are not yet filed, then those of 2024 are in process. So when you go to file annual returns and you tap here, it will tell you that you have an existing annual returns application, so please first submit the existing document. So what you do, you cancel, and then you come to our applications. When you come to applications, you choose annual returns, and then it will show you the pending annual returns. So what you do, you click on continue, and then you start your process of filing annual returns. The interface is now user friendly, so it will be easy because most of the things are pre-filled. I won't show much of the information for confidentiality. So since much of the information is pre-filled, what you do, you tap on continue, then it will take you to shares and debentures. You also click on continue to the page of secretary and director. It is also pre-filled. Then you continue the address, and then you go to preview. So here much of the information is usually already pre-filled, so that's why the process is usually easy. And if in case in that year you made changes, maybe new people bought shares, or you want to change the director or change the secretary, so for that one, before you file returns, you have to first file the resolution saying that you added someone, or you are changing the secretary, or you are adding a director. And here you use this part to add the evidence or the filed resolution that you added someone or someone bought new shares. So you tap here and upload the files, and if you don't have any changes to make, what you do, you continue and you go on to the part of payment. So if you've already paid, you tap here and you input the PRN, and if you haven't paid, you come here and generate a PRN, and that is what you will use to pay. Otherwise, thank you for watching. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and also like our content so that we give you more content. Thank you for watching.